Wet fields are a common sight across Louisiana, and they are causing a great deal of angst for the state's farmers. The optimum window for planting soybeans has been open for nearly 2 weeks, and according to LSU AgCenter soybean specialist Ronnie Levy, less than 10% of the state's beans have been planted.
Everyone looks at these big lines of storms, and they're very concerned about, spending the money, putting out a crop, and then having it being destroyed by, flooding.
More than 40,000 acres of corn were lost to flooding in March, and farmers are trying to avoid the same fate with their soybeans. After 2 consecutive years of record yields, last year's crop saw a significant decrease, with late planting being a contributing factor.
We had droughts that came in late in the season. If we were able to plant our beans earlier, then they would have probably been already made by the time that we had those drought conditions.
Levy says that he has seen beans planted in late June, but the risk of yield loss is much higher from insects, disease, and hot temperatures at night.
We can plant soybeans late, but the yield potential really drops off after we get to the first part of May. So, we'd like to see them planted between now and the first week or so of May.
Soybeans are Louisiana's largest crop in terms of acreage. Last year, 49% of the state's cropland was soybeans, with a total of 1.4 million acres. That number could grow this year.
The price is actually going up to producers that they can sell for right now. With that being said, the demand's a little bit higher, so we may see even more acres going to soybeans.
With the LSU AgCenter, this is Craig Gautreaux reporting.